Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. What we have specifically here, guys, you can see 2012 F150, but even if you have a different year, that generation, the video may be helpful. We're going to open the hood on your F150, and under the hood, right above the radiator, is the engine fuse box. That fuse box right here. That's how you're going to face it when you open it on your F150. Now, before we continue, let me tell you why it's super important to test fuses and relays now, and how to do that. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So another thing, guys, you can see you have those J-case fuses, relays, the microblade fuses. Those could be really expensive to the parts store. We will put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, usually with really quick shipping as well. The constant vacuum hub lock fuse will be in that row right here, guys. Okay, and you start from the very left. 1, 2, 3, 4. That fuse is known as fuse number F29. That 10M fuse in our case, that's the one, okay, that we need to check. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.